Hi, Namaste. In this edition, I'm going to talk. In fact, I'm going to ask a few important questions, dilemmas related to an event, current issues, related news. And the news was that an Indian American, in fact, a Gujarati American lady, 33 years of age, Purvi Patel, you would have heard this name from the newspaper. Purvi Patel, she had been sentenced to 20 years of prison. 20 years in prison on two accounts. Number one, feticide, bhrunahatya, and number two is the child neglect. You all know the story that Purvi Patel had a sexual relationship with a co-worker, and it was not socially acceptable. I mean, family and the community did not accept it, and but she had a child in her womb, so she decided to do away with it. Now, the second news item I talk about is that Indian cabinet had approved in India. Cabinet had approved that the persons committing any crime between 16 to 18 years of age would be examined by the panel of expert, let's say five people, a panel of expert, whether that child should be treated as an adult in the trial for that specific crime. So he or he should be treated as an adult or not. All right. Now this is the gray area here. Now there are many questions, and when I talk about the questions here in Purvi Patel, there are number second debate is about right to life. Certainly, pro-life people would say that she has no right on the life of someone else, and that can be someone in your womb. Even here, even if in the second news article, if you reduce the age 16 to 18 years, and if there is a heinous crime committed by the child 16 to 18 years, and if the punishment is the life term or in fact the death penalty. I don't want to go into that debate. That is a debate based on the morality. I'll discuss it some other day. But the debate is about the law. Debate is about the law. What is legal? What is not legal? Illegal, in fact. Now there were many arguments given in favor of 16 to 18 years. One of those argument was that the crimes by persons from 16 to 18 years, the crimes had gone up. But when you look at the data, you will see that the overall crimes had gone up, right, in India. Fine. Other than this knee-jerk response by the government, they could have made the provisions related to presence, coordination, and support by any adult in the crime, right? If there is any adult involved in the crime, or this person is responsible for seducing this 16 to 18 years person into committing some crime, I mean the law should take care of this, and this person, the adult, should be given the punishment, not the child. That is what my take is. You may disagree. Now, what about this Purvi Patel case? She is 33 years of age. I say why there is no connection. You want to say what 33 years of age, and when she took this decision to do away, she was saying that there was a miscarriage, and by looking at the phone records of Purvi Patel, the attorney has proved in the court that she wanted to do away with the child, with the fetus. Now, who is responsible for the decision of Purvi Patel to do away with that fetus? If she is being charged or sent to the jail for feticide and child neglect, it's not her who is responsible for this decision, but it is, in fact, it is the family or the community. Family or the community that is responsible to create the kind of environment, to create the direct or indirect pressure on Purvi Patel to commit such crime, if there was any crime. I don't want to go into the law which was being applied there to send her into the jail. I'm just talking about the legality. So any law must take into consideration whether the decision was being taken under the decision, or the crime had been committed under the direct or indirect pressure from the closed ones or any other person. So the responsibility of that crime goes to someone else. Here in Purvi Patel case, I believe its family is more responsible than Purvi Patel herself. And here in 16 to 18 years, this case, if a child commits a crime, it means yes, as a society, we need to reflect upon this one question, that why a child of 16 to 18 years is committing a crime. It means someone else is forcing the child, or someone else is by using any means, directly or indirectly, influencing that person to commit that crime. And that's what we must look into. Thank you very much. If you have any suggestion, please write in the comment box. I'll look into it. Thank you. Bye bye. And do subscribe and share.